Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track your shots on the 18Birdies app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up the 18Birdies application on your mobile device and then sign in. Once you've signed in, you're going to be taken to this page. Okay, so what we need to do is navigate to the play button at the bottom of the page here, and then from here go ahead and click on where it says start round. And now from here, just go ahead and choose your round type and your scoring mode and your T selection and other settings, then click start round. And then go ahead, you can add players to your group if you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on play for this demonstration. Now from here at this golf course, I can go ahead and track my shot. So go ahead and click on that track shot button, and then we can add shot details. So if we click on the drop down menu, we've got the lies, we've got tee, fairway, sand, etc. We can show which club we're using, the driver, 3-wood, 5-wood, etc. And then you can track your shot by moving the pin around here. And then once you've tracked your shot, go ahead and click on save shot.